Hello and welcome to my office. My name is Justin Spencer Young. So I've been teaching and coaching executives and managers for more than a decade now. And my area of expertise is in business finance and value creation. And recently I wrote my book. Here we are, there's a copy of it here. The Secrets of Business Performance and Value Creation. And what I've decided to do now is to release a series of educational videos that complement my book. So there's a certain philosophy that underpins my style and my teaching and the way I talk about business performance and value creation. And that comes through very strongly in my book. And you'll see that that same philosophy permeates the videos that I've put together. So I'm just calling this Business Finance 101. It's a series of 40 videos that covers the cornerstones of business finance, and in many cases gets quite deep into the weeds of the nitty-gritty and important parts of understanding business performance and value creation. So I'm going to release these 40 videos over the course of the next 6 months. That's 2 videos a week. And with it, I'm including various exercises, case studies that complement the material. And my suggestion is, if you want to come and journey along with me and go through the video series, then include on your journey doing exercises and case studies. And what will happen is you will come out the end with a thorough knowledge of business finance and the dynamics of value creation and value destruction. So we will look at examples of what does value creation look like and what does value destruction look like. How does that show up in business? That's a little bit further down the journey. The course is generic in nature. It's not specific to any industry. It's designed that it can cover a broad spectrum of people who are looking to seek and develop their knowledge in the business finance space. I would ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to share the videos, tell people about it, and give me some feedback along the way. And I hope to see you on the journey. I hope to be able to impart some knowledge to you that you wouldn't ordinarily be able to get in one place in such a comprehensive manner. So welcome on board. Download the schedule of contents. You'll see that attached below this video, and I'll update it on a regular basis where you can see the full list of videos that will come. And most of these videos are, some are 2 or 3 minutes long, some are up to 15 minutes long, depending on the timeline of the content that I'm trying to cover. And it's very achievable just to jump on board and come along for the journey and pick out the stuff that's really interesting to you. Maybe you pass by the stuff that you know already and is less interesting. But I think you'll come away with a thorough understanding of business finance. So I will see you along the road. Good luck. Welcome on board.